Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use this MII code editor to create your applications. So first of all, let's create a folder here inside this web folder. So we can create the folder in two ways. One is right clicking and go to this new folder option, or by clicking on this plus folder icon. So it will prompt you for the name. Let's add the name as a demo and click on OK to confirm. Just give a minute, it will create the folder for us. So you can see the folder is created. Now let's create the complete UFA application. So there is an option provided here to create the complete UFA application. So it will give you the initial code. So just click on this magic create button and go to the UFA app. Another ways is we can go to this just right click on it and you can go to the create and create the UFA app. So we can choose whichever is best for you. So I'm creating from this magic create button. Just select the UFA app. It will prompt you for all the necessary details. So let me give the app title. So I want to call my app as like this, demo app. And description is not mandatory, so I'm just giving the name and the root folder name. So this is the folder it is going to create that folder, and inside that all our UFA resources will be placed. So I am calling this as a demo. Again, app and the resource root. So I'll give the mi_mi.app. So remember this resource root, it will be useful while creating the new controllers and the views. Okay, and the root view. So I just want to create one root view with the name main, and also one controller which is attached to this above root controller. So I want to call it as a main. Let's click on OK to create, and it will create all the files inside this demo app. So you can see here, let's expand. It created one web app folder, and inside this web app folder, so we got all these files: controller, i89 file, view, and the component.js file, and the manifest. So let's open the index.html file and see what are the details it have. So you can see our title, whatever title we entered in that prompt, so we got here, and also our resource root is mi.app, and our application is ready now. We can test this by clicking on this run button. So let's test it. Just give it a minute to load. So you can see our view is ready. That means our application is up and running. Now let's see some other features as well. Let me close this index.html file and let me open the controller. So this is our main controller and also view as well. So you can see the controller reference is attached here. That means this view is referring to this controller. And now one more thing, you can see all the details, metadata related to this file here in the bottom tab. So object name, file path, and everything, when it created and who modified. So all the detailed metadata you can view in this tab. So let's add some code here in this view. So let me add some button here and text as, let's say hello, and on press I want to call some function. So let's say hello function. Just click on save button to save the file. So it will automatically save to MII workbench. and whatever the project you are seeing, it's already there in the MI workbenches. So let's go to the controller and add this function. Okay, so we can also view this main view side by side with this controller as well to get the better visibility. So I'm just clicking on this split button to see it side by side. So I'm just going here. So now we at a time we can work with two files by seeing at a glance. So let's copy paste this function name here. So let's add some toast messages here. Yeah, so message toast. Let me take the reference and then on click of say hello, and let me show you the message. Let's save it. Yeah, so you can see here we got our button, say hello button, and just click on it. Yeah, we got the message. That means our app is successfully connected. Now let's see another features. Let's say I want to add some, I want to look at some of the properties of this button. Okay, so usually what we do, we'll refer the API reference, right? Yeah, now that I just simplified it, just by clicking on this help button, it will automatically open the API reference in the same editor itself. So just type the button here. Yeah, it's the same whatever the API reference for the UEFI application. So you can see all the thing, yeah, all the properties, everything. Okay, I just want to add some type property here. Just see the button type, and yeah, I'll add this accept. Type is equal to this accept. Save it, and let me refresh the other application. Yeah, you can see this green color is added to this. Yeah, you can also open this in the new tab by clicking on this button, or by you can close this by clicking on this close button. That's it. And another feature you can, I think you already noticed, while typing you will get the code suggestions. Let's say I'm typing this, so you can see you are getting all the related keywords, all the codes you'll get, and also code is highlighted if you observe. And when I type X again, so you can see all the thing, yeah, suggestions and all the variables, everything will be shown here. Now let me demonstrate one more feature, that is a commit feature. You can commit your code, and you can view the code. That means you can make the versions of your code. So let me add some code here. Okay, before that, let me save it. Let me save it and commit this. So there is a commit button given, so just click on commit. Okay, I think I already added a few versions before. Okay, that's not a problem. Yeah, let's let's do the first commit. Okay, I think this is not the first commit. It will be a third commit. Okay, again, let me give it as a third commit, because I already added a few more commits before. Anyway, so it will create a new version And if you want to view, you can click on this versions button, and you can see the latest version on the top and the previous versions here. And yeah, you can see the message name, username, and the time, date and time when it is created. And the cool thing is you can see the code as well. Let's say I want to see the code 2, version 2. What is the code? It's the version 2. So it will open the version 2 file here in the another tab, and you can compare these two codes. So you can see there is alert I have given, and now we have the message toast message. Yeah, let's add some logs here. Just I'm going to add some log. Okay, let me give it as a new log. Let's save it and just now commit. So I'm giving a message as added logs in say hello function. So give the meaningful message always, so that it will be easy to understand. So now it is committed. It's a new version, it's a version 4. So version 4 will be the same code, as we haven't made any changes. Let's see the version 3 as well. See, in the version 3 we don't have this console.log. And also let's see the version 2 as well. It will open again in the one more tab inside this tab container. So here another code is different code is there. So by using this you can compare the versions and you can navigate to any other version. That's it, I think. Yeah, I think you got everything I have explained, and we can also view these file properties, files metadata here. And there are a few more features. We can create the view, controller, fragment, okay, and also we can copy paste the things. Okay, if you want, we can delete the files also. So thanks for watching and keep using, and it is a free of cost, so you can directly download this file from my GitHub repository and import the project to your MII project from the menu page and start using it.